Hi there. The voice you're hearing right now is my avatar speaking on my behalf. I'm Effie, and I'm passionate about clean eating, holistic wellness, and helping others find food freedom without fear. So let me ask you this. Diabetic and avoiding fruit. What if I told you fruit is actually part of the healing? There's a lot of fear around fruit, especially because of the sugar content. But not all sugar is created equal. The natural sugars in fruit come with fiber, water, and nutrients. Everything your body needs and knows how to process. According to medical medium, fruit actually helps cleanse the liver, balance blood sugar, and fuel the brain. Processed sugar spikes insulin. Fruit doesn't behave the same. I used to fear bananas and grapes too. But when I began including fruit daily, my energy lifted. My digestion improved. Fruit actually stabilized me. Don't let misinformation steal your healing. Fruit is not your enemy, it's your ally. This is my avatar sharing my real story. Follow me for clean eating truths that empower your health, not restrict it.